Hello, my name is Prabhakar. I am working at L&T since last 26 years. I have enrolled for a 30-day money mastery program of Dr. Mariam. This 30-day program has completely changed my money belief system. In this 30-day program, I have learned a lot about money management skills. I learned about creating an emergency fund, doing proper tax planning, investing in various asset classes like equity, commodity, real estate, gold, and debt. What are the advantages of each asset classes? I also learned about the power of gratitude and visualization. In this 30-day program, I have also learned about various types of passive sources of income and insurance planning, estate planning, retirement planning, etc. So this 30-day program is highly worth. It completely changes our money belief system. So I urge everyone to enroll in this 30-day program and improve our financial knowledge and abundance mindset. I thank you to Dr. Mariam for this wonderful program. Thank you.